The business model canvas is a tool to map and design a business model in a clear and concise way. It helps define the target market, revenue sources, business activities, and other key information to help you stay focused on what matters when running a business. The canvas is composed of 9 blocks, representing all the key parts of a business model. Starting with the customer segment, here you need to define the type of customer you want to target. Common ways of defining a customer segment could be by asking who are they, what are their interests, where do they live, and how do they interact with a business. This section is important and should be completed first, as it may dictate how to fill several of the other blocks in the canvas. In the value proposition, you need to describe what problem is solved or what need is satisfied. Some common examples of a value proposition could be: the product is very affordable, the service saves valuable time, or it is a premium brand, and many other reasons. In channels, you need to define how to reach and communicate with customers. Is it by using ads, cold emailing, or content marketing? Whatever the method you're using to reach customers, that's a channel. Moving on to customer relationships. This is the type of relationship customers expect to have with a business. For example, if customers are buying an expensive product, they may expect to have someone assigned to assist them throughout the purchase journey. If instead customers are purchasing products with a low price point, they may expect very little interaction with the business, as they may just buy online and go on with their lives. This block can also be used to plan how to retain customers and how to upsell to them. An example could be giving them a loyalty discount or offer them a better and more suitable solution for their needs. The revenue model is how the business will make money. Is it a one-time sale, a monthly subscription, or sponsorships? There are many ways a business can earn revenue. Key partners are the other businesses we need a relationship with. If you are a retailer, then a supplier would be a key partner. Key resources are what's needed to have an operational business. Ask yourself what assets are required for the business to be fully functional. Some examples could be the equipment to manufacture the products, workers for providing the service, or the website you're using to sell the products online. Key activities are the tasks that you need to accomplish to keep your business running and making profits. Examples of some key activities could be marketing and sales, maintaining customer relationships, or manufacturing the products. When working on this block, try to connect it with what you have written in other blocks, and it will be much easier to complete. And in cost structure, you have to include the primary costs tied to your primary revenue generator. For example, if you have a restaurant, include the cost of the ingredients required and wages for the kitchen staff and servers. Let's take a look at some examples now. In the first example, we want to open a family bakery store in a middle-class community. After doing some market research and having a test period selling to neighbors, we found that parents buy 70% more cookies than other market segments. There are also 2 schools near the store, so let's add students and school staff. For the value proposition, the bakery will offer a variety of cookies for parents to choose from. It will open at 6 a.m. to provide students with fresh pastries for breakfast. There will be delivery services around the community and catering services. Moving on to the channels block, we will include Uber Eats for discovery and delivery services and a social media account for communicating with customers. For the customer relationships block, we have personal interactions with the customers, replying to comments and inquiries in the social media account, and a loyalty discount. This should create happy customers. When starting, usually we want to keep the revenue stream simple, so we will just have daily sales and the catering services for special events. For key activities, we need to make and have fresh goods throughout the day, manage inventory and catering. In key resources, we have the bakery store, the equipment and ingredients for baking, and staff for selling and catering. In key partners, we need the suppliers that provide the ingredients and equipment, and Uber Eats for the delivery services. In costs, we have purchasing of ingredients and equipment, staff salary, and store rental fees. For the second example, we will design the business model for a hypothetical challenge YouTube channel called Mr. Creature. YouTube analytics show that people around 10 to 25 years old are the primary audience for this type of channel. For the value that the channel provides, there's entertainment, consistent posting, and new challenges. We will also open a store with cool merch like t-shirts and hoodies. And we will also start offering delicious sandwiches through delivery-only online orders. To reach the audience, we will need to satisfy the almighty YouTube algorithm to appear in YouTube suggested videos. Maybe we can try doing YouTube Shorts and TikTok to promote new videos. In customer relationship, a long-term relationship with the audience is expected, as they may keep watching new and old videos, and we need to reply to their comments on YouTube and TikTok. The online merch and sandwiches will be an automated service where customers will choose and purchase online. For the revenue block, YouTubers are known to have several revenue streams, so we will go all out here and have merch sales, sponsorships, Google Ads, affiliate links, and sandwich sales. For key activities, we need to create quality videos, which involves planning, recording, and editing videos, as well as creating awesome thumbnails and titles. We also need to maintain the website for merch and sandwich sales, and do collabs with other YouTubers so that we can grow our audience. In key resources, we need all the camera equipment required, as well as videographers and editors that will help us with recording and editing the videos. In key partners, we need to add YouTube as we publish all the videos on their platform, the e-commerce website where we upload the merch, and also need to maintain a partnership with virtual dining concepts as they make and deliver the sandwiches. For cost structure, we need to get some camera equipment, editing software, and staff to record and edit videos. The third example is selling luxury eyes. Here, we are targeting enthusiasts of luxury and premium experiences. For the value proposition, we will be offering eyes made of purified water that potentially protects consumers from impurities. And most importantly, we are offering the opportunity to taste the purest flavor of premium spirits. To reach customers, we use the endorsement of celebrities, word of mouth, and articles in luxury magazines. Customers can buy the products online through our website. We could also reach them through partnerships with the luxury hospitality industry. More on that when we look at key partnerships and key activities. Customer relationship is primarily transactional since they are buying the product online. For retaining customers, we will also start offering discounts to regular customers. For our revenue model, we'll offer individual sales for a package of eyes, and a subscription method for regular customers that want the packages delivered to them throughout the year. In key activities, we need to maintain the equipment that produces the purified eyes. We need to produce the eyes, maintain our website for orders, and develop and maintain relationships with business partners in the luxury hospitality industry. That will help us market the product. In key resources, we need the equipment to produce the eyes and staff to help with all of the key activities. For key partners, we have suppliers for the equipment to produce the purified eyes, and also luxury resorts, restaurants, and hotels, as they could offer our products with their premium drinks. For cost structure, we need the equipment to produce the eyes, and also the salary for our staff. If you're getting value out of these videos, make sure to subscribe. As you can see, we are a very small channel, and your subscription means a lot. You can find the business model canvas of these examples in the description below. See you in the next video.